After the devastating news last week that we were not allowed into Australia for Christmas, Isabel and I looked to find a way for family to come to Fiji. In this episode, my sister arrives to stay on Merewether.
Rent-free in Pacific Islands.
How do you do it,
I know.
This being the first time in 3 years I've seen her, we quickly started to make up for lost time. The light-hearted jokes and piss takes gets turned right up.
Hello guys! We're sailing about 1,000 knots today, not really happy with the wind, but you know, we're gonna go sail an island that I can't pronounce properly, and yeah, here's some shots of Isabel in a bikini.
Damn!
There's nothing quite like family at Christmas.
She killed it.
She killed it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. If we drag anchor,
It's my fault.
it's gonna be Cassidy's fault.
Yeah,
Oh my
but
gosh.
like I'm new, so like
It's fun, you know?
I'm forgiven.
You're recording right now.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, it's hot.
It's so warm. I think this shirt's got like 5 minutes before it's dripping. It's gonna come off, I'm sure of it.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
You go, please.
Yeah, we haven't filmed in a couple of weeks. It's been around Christmas time, and we've really been kind of working on videos and relaxing and kind of doing a bit of both, but not filming. We've made it through a few different islands, and we're now located on the mainland, and we've just picked up my sister
Yes.
for Christmas.
Holiday season. We're gonna spend it with family in paradise,
We,
pretty much.
we picked her up yesterday. I haven't seen her in 3 years, so you're about to meet her. And we are going to, we've got 7 days, 6-7 days with her, and we're going to make the most of it and just smash out a few of these beautiful Fijian islands.
So today we are sailing to Mama Island.
Moana.
Or
Moana?
Mama?
Maua? Mana? We'll get back to you on that one.
Anyway, it's called the Survivor Island because they filmed a lot of Survivor over there, the TV show, which you may have seen. So it's 17 nautical miles from Denarau, where we are right now, to the Survivor Island. And we're gonna have a nice little sail, hopefully. Will probably be a motor. We'll see.
We'll definitely be motoring. There's no wind.
What else?
We're going to do a few other islands, and we're going to spend Christmas around. You're probably watching this in the new year, which is fine. We're a bit behind on our videos, but we're going to be spending Christmas around the cruiser community in Musket Cove. So we'll probably be doing a couple of islands and then Christmas in Musket.
Alright. Do you want to meet Kieran's sister?
Yes, come meet her.
Oh, wait, are you doing it now?
No.
Hello. Hello.
Who are you?
I'm Cass. And you see the resemblance?
Hello, my.
Hello, darling brother.
No, we haven't seen each other in 3 years, so it's been a bit of a wild ride with COVID the way it is and all that kind of stuff going on in the world.
Because we thought you were going to come to Sydney for Christmas, but then that didn't happen.
Yeah.
So I just had to come here.
Yeah.
You know, like, really roughed. So difficult.
Yeah, you know, it's a terrible place, this Fiji.
Rent-free in Pacific Islands.
Oh,
no
how do you
thanks.
do it, you know?
I know, just little sacrifices.
We appreciate it, Cass.
No, thank you.
Okay, so we're just unmooring the vessel now, and I wanted to take a quick second. So since Cassidy's arrived, we've actually had access to a few things in Australia that we wouldn't normally have access to, and she's brought us a brand new lens came out of Canon just recently. It's called a Canon RF 16mm. So you're going to see that right about, and there you have it. This is the 16mm. We're going to hopefully film with this a lot more. It kind of gives you a bit of a wider angle. You can see all around me. And it makes it easier for us to really capture everything for you guys. So I'm going to unmoor right now, and we're going to get going. So a certain thing happens when you've spent a lot of time in a kind of port or a marina. You start to go get a little bit antsy, a little bit kind of crazy kind of a way. Little things tick you off. So we're very, very happy to be kind of getting out of this port, especially with my sister, and actually go and discover some beautiful Fijian islands today. It feels just like a little bit of wind. We're going to be motor sailing probably, but it just feels great to like get out of port.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like
G'day and welcome. Please come closer. Oh. Hi.
What's going on?
We are just exiting General Marina.
How are you feeling about it?
Very excited. We haven't had a proper swim in 1.5 weeks, I think.
10 days have been in there.
Yeah, oof. That's not right. I mean, we need to swim. We need to be in the water.
100%.
No, I'm excited. It's gonna be great. We've seen some photos of this place before, and it looks really, really nice. So yeah, looking
It's
forward.
going to be a very protected anchorage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
the only guilty I find staring back at me in the mirror at night.
It's hard to explain to someone the joys of seeing a loved one after so long, especially when it's a sibling. Both of us were very happy to trade light-hearted insults and catch up on all the brother-sister time we'd missed.
But I can't lie awake for someone else to say I can live my life.
Unfortunately, there is next to no wind out here. We've got about 8 knots and it's directly into us, which is a bit of a shame. It's been a 2-hour motor and we're just approaching the island of Mana. Mana is the name, we might have stuffed it up before, but Mana Island has this beautiful, beautiful protected bay. So it's going to be a skinny little pass to get in there and we're going to try to film that. And hopefully we'll be snorkeling this afternoon with some little GoPro action and underwater filming, and oof, look out, look out. How's it going, Kaz? Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hey guys. We're sailing about 1,000 knots today, not really happy with the wind, but you know, we're gonna go sail an island that I can't pronounce properly, and yeah, here's some shots of Isabel in a bikini.
Damn.
You guys?
No,
We're experts at this now.
Alright, so we're just about to enter this pass now, and it's quite narrow.
It's a skinny little thing.
It is.
So I'm going to have you on the bow,
Yes, I'll be on the bow. Look out.
directing us.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Bit
So
of
if we-
nice little motoring.
So if we crash, then it's your fault, and well,
And well,
we're stuffed.
okay.
Madame, we have brought you to your island. This is yours for the day.
Is this where I get out and swim ashore?
Yes. So we'll pick you up tomorrow.
So we're just near the path now, and I see that it's actually marked. So the entrance in is actually marked fairly all the way in, which is a relief. And we can see the color, different color of water as well. So that's pretty good. Normally we're not this lucky. Dodging reefs is becoming second nature to us, and the longer we stay in Fiji, the easier it gets. This particular entrance is one of the more tricky ones, with depths going down to 3 and 4 meters at times. So I was very happy to see the path well marked with sticks on each side.
How'd you go, Cass?
I did it, I think.
Put the anchor in place?
I did. I put the anchor in place. It was so difficult. I had to hold a button for like 30 seconds.
Whoa.
My thumbs were getting real tired.
The old thumb cramp, don't you hate that?
I know. Like, gotta do my thumb stretches now.
You'll
Give
be
everyone a thumbs
They'll
up.
be sore tomorrow.
She killed it.
She killed it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. If we drag anchor,
It's
you know,
my
Cassidy's
fault.
it's going to be Cassidy's fault.
Yeah,
Oh my
but
gosh.
like, I'm new, so like,
It's fine, you know.
I'm forgiven.
Baby.
Hi.
What have we done this afternoon?
I fell asleep.
We had a sleep after lunch, didn't we?
Yeah.
I feel pretty great now.
I feel sleepy now.
Well, that's going to change and we're in the dinghy going a million miles an hour on our way to a beautiful location.
Woo!
The heat here is just so ridiculous. So it's pretty hard to do stuff in the middle of the day. It'll be good to get out. Now it's 4 o'clock.
Sounds great.
Kind of that sun's lost its bite a bit. You just got sweat all over you.
No, I just put sunscreen on. This is not sweat.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, guys, what are we doing?
What are we doing, Cassidy?
We're going for a swim. Gonna go in the dinghy and go snorkeling and free diving.
Ooh, how good!
Ooh.
How good! Yeah, Cassidy's never done free diving before, so I'm gonna see if we can have a little
Very
lesson.
exciting.
We'll see how that goes. No promises yet.
No, there is a sand spit. So we're on island at the moment. There's a sand spit. We have to go off the island, offshore a little bit, and get over to this sand spit. So we're hoping to check that out before the sun goes down and put up the drone and enjoy that, and maybe get some snorkeling on the way back, I think.
Amazing.
Party.
Come on, guys. Oh, you just sit there. Just sit there and look pretty. Sorry, what did you say?
We're actually just trying to film a YouTube video. If you could just take it down, it'd be great. Thank you. I know
Excuse me,
we're like-
seagulls.
Yeah, sorry
Seagulls.
guys. We got a bit more important things to do here than just inhabiting a bunch of parrotfish.
The D shackles come completely loose.
Sorry, what happened here?
I have anchored the dinghy
Yep.
and
Successfully?
no, very unsuccessfully. The D shackle, which was holding the rope onto the anchor, has now come loose,
Oh.
and I can see it like directly below me. Like the pin is like sitting right there on the sand
Oh,
next to
really?
the D shackle. Just a bartender here, aren't I? But it's all I'm good for. Getting the drinks.
So, guys, how's the spot?
Terrible.
What happens to the sun? You forgot to do the sun dance.
Clouds.
Yeah, go on here and do the sun dance.
No,
Yeah.
no, the
Go
sun
on.
dance is not coming out.
But it's a holiday for me. You don't want to
See?
rob me of the
Oh, I
sun,
see, I see.
dude.
So you're making me feel bad because I can't control the weather?
Yeah,
Okay. No, that's not happening.
worst brother ever.
No, the clouds climb over and we tried to put up the drone but we're in an air zone apparently, which sucks because I would have loved to show the vlog, kind of the shots from the sky.
Yeah.
But no, I'm very happy. Just playing in the sand, having drinks,
Talking
Could be worse.
talking,
Could be worse. Alright.
talking beep.
beep.
Talking beep. You gotta start
Beep.
beeping out the swear words.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beep.
Talking beep.
But then you would just be like, "Hi guys."
Beep 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 beep.
Okay,
beep,
Isabel.
Beep beep beep.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I reckon if I was like a YouTuber, I'd be demonetized within a minute. Like, not a chance.
Hi guys, welcome.
Welcome.
I hope you enjoyed that video. We certainly had a blast when Cass was here. And now off to something else. We are going to announce some new patrons, some new crew.
So for those of you who don't know how we kind of sustain this lifestyle, we have a very, very strong supporting group on a website called Patreon that kind of pledge a little bit for every episode that we put out. So we want to really appreciate them right now and give our thanks. This is the end of the segment, the end of the video where we like to really kind of appreciate those guys on there that really make this possible.
And welcome the new guys. So should we get into it?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So my first name is Franco. Welcome, Franco. And Jean Philippe. Welcome, Jean. And baby, you can rattle off the next.
The next guy we would like to welcome is Bill M. Welcome. And we also have Robbie and Jerry. Welcome, guys. And Chris R.
Welcome to all the new patrons. We want to let you know how much we appreciate you guys signing up and getting on board. Without you, this wouldn't be possible.
No.
The level of content, I think the level of quality we're producing is right up there as some of our best so far. And
It's because of you guys.
it's because of you guys.
Yeah,
We want you
truly.
give us the ability to do this, and
Yes,
we
yes.
can't thank you enough.
Thank you guys, and stay safe.
All right, gotcha.